So welcome to kayotutorials. So here I am coming up with a small tutorial on 3D modeling a round bed design in 3ds Max. So let's get started. So I have a reference over here. So let's go into file, view image file. I'll go over here and I'll just take up a reference of a round bed. So I can just open this. So as you can see, we have a stylish, we can say a lavish round bed design. So how we can start up is like, let's go over here and let's just take a plane. Let's take a cylinder. If it's totally round, let's take a cylinder. So I'll just go over here, I'll go into this, reduce the height segments, increase this over here, convert to editable poly, select this edges and let's give two connects over here, slightly just push it up over here. Now let's select the polygons. I'll just exclude this. So let's just exclude it and let's extrude it by local normal slightly in this way. Select this, press R and let's scale it. So if you don't want to make it total round, you can just change the shape. So if we are making it round, we'll just make it round. So select the polygons, slightly give a bit of inset over here in this way. And now let's go to the top view over here. I'll just take an arc over here. So I can just create an arc like this. So I can just go into this, rendering, enable in viewport. Let's make it as rectangular and slightly increase it if needed. So we can just increase the size like this over here. So I can increase the length if needed in this way. Again, so this is going to be for your light section. So I'll just push this down more in this way. So let's go over here and let's take again. I have another option, that's your chamfer cylinder. So let's go to the center of it and let's create a chamfer cylinder. So slightly just push this up, increase its height, increase its fillet. So you can slightly reduce the fillet and most important, increase the sides of it. So you can just increase the sides and let's give some fillet segments over here as needed. So we can just assign some fillet segments and also I can add some cap segments. So I'll just duplicate it over here and I'll just reduce this sides over here and let's convert to editable poly. So what I can do over here is like, I'll just take it as a half section, select this, take this half, over here, and let's delete that. Also we can put one loop over here, so select this, again select the polygons, let's delete it, so I can just end isolate this, and let's rotate it. Let's just place it over here, and let's give a shell modifier. So select the vertices, drag it down, and let's give a shell. So you can just give a bit of thickness to it if you're going to make it look like a cloth or something, so that can be done. So first I'll just go over here, isolate this, convert to editable poly, I'll just save as it. So I'll just save as it, and let's give FFD cylinder. So I can give this cylinder over here. So let's go into its control points over here and exclude this stuff, drag it up if needed a bit, and slightly just drag it up, convert to poly, send isolate this. So you can just give any random color. So we can slightly select this, so just push this up in this way. So once you give a shell, again convert to poly in this way. So just select this whole thing, let's give a material over here. So I'll just assign a basic material, and let's give a bit of a specular over here. So convert to poly, so select this, slightly just push this up. So again select this edges, so just drag this, and let's give chamfer very less, click OK, and end isolate this. So you can just assign a bit of chamfer to it and just push it up in this way. Alright. So just select this, so you can create a side table. so it is a bit, I guess, a bit rounded. So you can just first create a wall or something, then the curtains, then you can just create this. So I can just go into this, just resize it in this way. That's it. So bring it closer, go into the material and assign it. Alright. So we can go over here. Let's take a box. If you want to use a line, you can even use a line as well. So I can just use this, push it up. So convert to poly, select these two edges and let's give chamfer. So you can slightly give a chamfer, make it round if needed, convert to poly. Select the polygons and slightly extrude it by local normal. And click OK. Again use a swift loop, select the polygons and let's extrude it by local normal. Alright. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.